Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to test your audio, video, and speakers before a Zoom meeting. This is incredibly useful because it helps you catch any technical issues beforehand, ensuring you don't waste time troubleshooting once your meeting has already started. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your account. This step is straightforward, but it's important to be logged in properly so you can access all the testing features Zoom offers before joining any meeting. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Zoom home screen. From here, click on the Join button. This is typically located near the top of the interface and is your gateway to entering any Zoom meeting. After clicking Join, you'll be prompted to enter a meeting ID or personal link name. Go ahead and type in the meeting ID that was provided to you by the host, or if you're using a personal meeting room, enter your personal link name instead. Once you've entered this information, click Join again to proceed. Here's where the important part begins. Before you actually enter the meeting room, Zoom gives you the opportunity to test your audio and video settings. You'll see a screen with various options, and from here you need to navigate to the drop-down menu labeled Custom Combination. This menu allows you to choose which audio and video devices you want to use for your meeting, which is especially helpful if you have multiple microphones, speakers, or cameras connected to your computer. From the drop-down menu, select your preferred audio device. This could be your built-in speakers, external speakers, or even a headset. Once you've made your selection, look for the button that says Test Microphone and Speaker. Click on this button to initiate the test. Zoom will play a ringtone or sound through your selected speakers, allowing you to verify that the audio is working correctly. Pay close attention during this test. If you hear the ringtone clearly, click Yes to confirm that your speakers are working properly. This confirms that your audio setup is functioning as it should and you're ready to proceed to the meeting without any sound issues. However, if you don't hear anything or if the sound is distorted or unclear, click No, try another speaker. This option will allow you to select a different audio device from the drop-down menu and test again until you find one that works. And that's it. You've successfully tested your audio, video, and speakers before joining your Zoom meeting, ensuring a smooth and professional experience from the moment you enter the room. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.